reload, touch and go. And the Jejantas Sungai Buloh. This is a self reload. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, you can just drive through to reload your car. Okay, you can drive through. So it's very simple. You have to select the language you want, English. Okay, and this is some of this you can see. Okay, so you have to insert your card. Okay, you just English. Proceed. Insert your card and press OK. So it light up. So you insert your cash. Please do not remove your card. Press OK. So make sure it's OK. Okay. Transaction in progress. So please do not remove your card. Then you're done. And so your card already reloaded. Okay. And this is the invoice. So I got it. Okay. So it's very simple to use. This only operates 9 AM to 9 PM. Anything happen, you just call to the help desk and WhatsApp. Okay, very simple. Reload here. Got another machine over there. So that's all for this video. Drive-through reload, very simple. And if you like my video, please give me a like and give me a thumb up, and please subscribe to my 2M channel. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.